First of all, thank you, Astha, and thank you, Mrs. Diva, for having me on this every live session. My name is Shreya Shah. I'm a youth icon, image consultant, and a graphologist, and I have many feathers already on my cap. So, today's topic is image enhancement and soft skills. How to enhance your image during this lockdown is okay. Asta is here. Hello, Asta. Okay, thank you so much, Ritu. Yes, it's my birthday, and I'm very happy that it's falling on Guru Purnima. I'm very happy about that. Yes. So, first of all, during this lockdown, I've heard many people just questioning that how should we dress during this lockdown? I mean, it's your lockdown. It doesn't mean it's the end of your life, something. On my birthday itself, I'm live, especially to tell you that right now I'm completely without makeup. And to show you the proof, I've got this tissue. It's a tissue paper. I have completely absolutely no makeup on my skin right now. You know why? Right? You know why? I just wanted to tell you that you're beautiful. And moreover, I wanted to bust that myth that just because you're an image consultant or you want to look good, you need to have a lot of makeup on your skin. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. In fact, I feel lockdown is the best time for you to start embracing yourself. Let me just tell you a short story. You can resonate with me. You and me are people. There's no COVID right now. We are using our regular, we are in our regular routine right now. It's 9 o'clock. We are off to office with all the makeup, our hair nicely done, nicely blow dried, kajal, lipstick, and the red dark lipstick. I've seen women having those red dark lipstick even during the daytime for office and having those mascaras and everything on. I don't know why. Maybe because we want to look good, we want to impress the person right in front of us. Maybe we are going for an interview. Perfectly alright. But right now, the lockdown period is going on. You see, I've seen many women being so cautious. So cautious. I don't know why. Number one reason, they don't know how to look good in front of the camera. Number two, they are quite cautious because your home, the parlors were closed, all the salons were closed, and you have these eyebrows and you have puffy eyes, and then you don't have proper clothes to wear. You're wearing a normal office wear, and that's so uncomfortable. No, that's not required, right? I have seen so many people currently right now. I'm seeing two kinds of people. Number one, who are least bothered, even during the lockdown period, even during the meetings, they're wearing their shorts and their tees and attending a meeting. And others who are well dressed as if they're just in front of Bill Gates for tracking their biggest deal possible. You need to understand one thing. They have come, your office is right now at your place. Your office people are also interfering in your personal life because their doors are locked. Half the time there are noises coming in. And then you have the pressure to look good. I have seen so many people actually having haircuts on their own, applying over makeup, perfect base and everything. Not required. Because that is only leading to one thing called as being very cautious about your body image. So I'm gonna give you a few tips regarding that. How you can be well dressed, yet not look overdressed or behave as if you're in an office, because right now you're at home and you need to be at your comfort as well. Right now, what I have done is no makeup at all. Right now, I'm using. Let your skin breathe. Let your skin breathe right now. This is the perfect time for your skin to breathe. I mean, आप घर के जितने भी homemade products है वो use कर सकते हैं. Even your hair. I've seen people spending thousands on your smoothing, on blow dry and haircut. That's not required. Your hair, as far as they're healthy, is completely okay. Because smoothing and straightening is nothing but laminating your hair. I'm not against it. I'm not saying I'm against it. But your natural hair texture, that needs to be there, right? That needs to be little more healthy. Your skin needs to breathe. It cannot really survive with having makeup 24/7. And if still a little more cautious, just make sure that you have a good base. Just a bit of kajal. If you have small eyes, I have big eyes, so I really don't apply a lot of makeup or apply a lot of kajal. And I love my lips, so it's just a bit of lip balm. That's it. And as far as the skin is looking more radiant, and you have a generous smile on your face and a lot of confidence, and you're good to go. Yes. I would like to have more questions coming in. Okay, first of all, okay, everyone is wishing me happy birthday. Okay, thank you very much, all of you. And first of all, thank you, Asta, for having this live session on my birthday itself. Okay. So, it's image enhancement and soft skills. It goes hand in hand. Let me give you one simple example. Okay, you have Debolina Kumar has one question. I have one question. How to choose the right color during such live sessions, and as it does really have an impact when we speak to an audience online? Yes, Debolina. How to choose your colors? If you have many queries right now, I cannot really solve all the queries right now in the live session. But one thing I can tell you, that choosing the right color depends on your skin type as well. Now, I'm not saying fair, medium, or dark complexions. I'm not going on complexions, because every person can wear whichever colors they like. It's just a combination of shade. Okay, you have to check your wrist. Okay, can you see the nerves over here? That's how you determine whether you have to wear warm colors or whether you have to wear a bit of medium tones or dark colors. That's fine. If you see Indian skin tones, I'm just giving a general example. Indian skin tone is more like a medium shade. So between 1 to 10, I would rate myself a 6. And my skin is more on the warmer side. Right now, as I repeat myself, I'm having no makeup at all. This is my natural skin, and this is more on the darker tones. It's more on the warmer side. So it's a 6, and Indian skin types, so we should go more with reds and maroons. So that really complements me a lot. And it's better to always go with a contrast. So that's very good. The very safe color, if you have to wear for a live session, are formal colors. The basics are formal colors. Black being the easiest one. If there's a saying, if you're in confusion, go for black. Provided it's daytime or evening time. If it's evening time, black is the safest color, and if it's the daytime, you should always opt for light colors, or white being the safest. Yes, and waiting for more questions. Okay, why dress during the lockdown? Yes, that I was expecting that question. I'll give you a simple example. Nowadays, if you see on Facebook, many people are posting about depression, are posting about anxiety, are posting about having severe heartaches at times, or just overthinking, feeling very lazy, just not willing to do anything, and moreover having the fear of ever growing competition. Yes, I'm not lying. Competition lockdown के period में भी बढ़ रहा है, because people are being forced to change their professions because of survival, and there's forced entrepreneurship. And if you see, every other page is having a live session going on. People are advertising themselves, not because they want to, but they are being forced to, because it's a matter of survival. And if you see, if there are no likes, or people are not responding, or if you feel that nothing is happening, you get depressed, and then you feel lazy, and then I'm like, no, I can't take it. This is the most obvious feeling going on, and this feeling I've seen every second person I meet, every second person I see. It's like, at once बहुत अच्छे से बात करें, खुल के बात करें, मीटिंग चल रही है, दे आर द मोस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट पीपल. Once the meeting is over and there's some kind of silence around and they are going depressed. ऐसा बात करते जैसे अभी रो पड़ेंगे, विच इज़ वेरी कॉमन बिकॉज हमारी जो साइकोलॉजी वो थोड़ी ऐसी हो रही है कि हम आधा दिन घर के अंदर होते हैं. देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल टू टॉक एंड इट्स लाइक वर्क, household, everything just combined together, and you're just flipping just switching our roles from one side to another. It's very common for all these things to happen. So yes, उसके अंदर टाइम नहीं मिलता है अपने ऊपर ध्यान देने के लिए. और हम ये भी सोचते हैं क्या ज़रूरत है, लॉकडाउन पीरियड है, who's gonna see, which is fine. I have seen people including me जिन्होंने अपना पूरा लॉकडाउन इवन टुडे सिर्फ 3 जोड़ी कपड़े के अंदर स्पेंड किया है, विच इज़ परफेक्ट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग अगेंस्ट इट, विच इज़ परफेक्ट. बट वेन यू डोंट फील दैट इट इज़ ऑल्सो मेकिंग यू अ लिटिल लेजी. सुबह उठना है या फोर्सफुली नहाना है, फोर्सफुली ये काम करना है, फोर्सफुली वो काम करना है. बट एक बार आप खुद ही ट्राई कर दीजिए. जब भी आप उठ रहे हो, just make sure you're dressing just the same way you're going for your office. No matter what. Online तो चालू ही है ना. Online meetings, office, every online work is going on. Get up. If you dress properly with minimal makeup and just your hair just done, even a bun is fine as far as it's a proper, not a messy bun, or proper bun. If you're leaving your hair open, just make sure that they are combed properly and you're good to go. And when it comes to your dressing, your formal dressing, I am not telling you to have your blazers on, not forcing you to have your blazers on. You have well and fine, but what you should do is opt for something which is more casual and formal at the same time. I'm not saying a party wear or something extremely casual. I'm not telling you to wear your jeans and tops and be there for a meeting. As far as you're wearing a midi or dress, a proper formal dress, like right now I'm wearing a proper formal dress and it's like cover, like properly done, and you're good to go. That's all that is required. उसका एक फ़ायदा ये होता है, you feel fresh, you feel more energetic, and you don't feel that okay मैं काम करने के खातिर कर रहा हूँ, I'm being forced. तो घर पे हूँ मैं, I'm being forced to work. You have that energy to work, to meet new people. It's a basic psychology. जब आप अच्छे से ड्रेस होते हैं, यू फील लाइक टॉकिंग टू मोर पीपल. अगर आप घर पे हो एंड यूर जस्ट वेयरिंग दोज, यू आर इन योर पजामाज, योर टी शर्ट्स, मेसी बन, एंड यूर फोर्स टू हैव योर मीटिंग्स बिकॉज आप अपने आप को लाइक म्यूट करके, अपना वीडियो कैमरा ऑफ करके भी ऑडियो से तो मीटिंग कर ही सकते हो, राइट? यू हैव दोज ऑप्शंस. बट सम डेज यू जस्ट बीइंग फोर्स्ड, नहीं आपको अपना कैमरा ऑन ही रखना है पूरे मीटिंग के टाइम पे. एंड इफ यू सी दैट देयर आर फ्यू पीपल जस्ट wearing some absurd clothes, though they are at home, but in the meeting they made fun of. और ये हमारे साथ बहुत बार हो चुका है हमारे लाइव सेशंस के या मीटिंग्स के टाइम पे. जस्ट योर मीटिंग टाइम, जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट ओवर ड्रेस्ड और अंडर ड्रेस्ड. Casually dressed, but as far as it's looking a little more towards the formal side, and you're good to go. Yes, I'm waiting for more questions. Example. I'm giving you a very simple example. My own grandfather, he is 72. He is 72. During this lockdown, we are not allowing him to work at all. He has been a workaholic for all his life. 72 years, and he's being forced to be at home and do nothing apart from watching TV or watching a cricket match, and do nothing at all. I mean, those repeat and everything. And do nothing at all and be quiet. Imagine a 72-year-old man who is a workaholic. उनको force किया गया है अपने routine से बाहर आने के लिए and just be at home and do practically nothing. अगर at that age, I mean, after age of 40, you become a little rigid towards change. And he's 72. Yet, my grandfather, being the man he is, will wake up at like 7 a.m. in the morning be ready, have his shirt on, his formal shirt on, his trousers, his pants on, belt, sit properly as if he is going for work itself to keep himself fresh. You'll never ever see him wearing something at home, being very casual and being very lazy. Active. No wonder. It's okay. I'm 72. I can work. I'm on my feet. I'm gonna dress up. ऑफिस नहीं जा सकता तो क्या हो, मेरा घर का काम है जो भी है बेसिक, अगर हॉल में बैठे हैं तो ही डू इज बिट ऑफ हिज अकाउंट्स और जस्ट हेल्प इन द हाउस होल्ड चोर्स एज वेल at the age of 72. So that's the power of your clothes, your own personality. That's how you enhance it. Yes, more questions? Thank you so much, Demolina. I hope it helped. You can, of course, get in touch with me for more information. Yes. How to enhance your personality? Of course, हमने dress के बारे में बात की. We spoke about dress sense. No, I'm surprised nobody asked me about the 5 things you should have in your wardrobe. The 5 must-haves in your wardrobe. Of course, it also depends on your body type. I'm taking a basic example of a pear shape because Indian women, most of us are pear shaped. We are bottom heavy. So first thing we should have is a black jeans, a pair of black jeans. Best friend. Since we are bottom heavy, we need it to look a little more proper and a little more toned. Black jeans is a best friend. Of course, you can also opt for a black A-line skirt. And if you're going for short dresses, you can wear. Just because you're on the heavier side doesn't mean that we cannot wear short dresses. We have full freedom to wear short dresses provided what we are wearing. If you feel that you're really bottom heavy, do not opt for something which is of course going to enhance the lower part. Make sure it is just making a balance of your top portion and the lower portion. So something you can wear is like 4 inches above the knee, which looks classy. It actually looks classy. Something which is not too skin hugging. And if you want to wear something which is more skin hugging and body hugging, just make sure that the color you're choosing, it's not making you look a little more bulky. And especially during this lockdown, because we all have put on weight, including me. I've put on a lot. So I just make sure that I'm more comfortable, yet I'm not having those extra bulges being like enhancing my bulges or something like that. Yes. So first and foremost, you should have a pair of black jeans, black of A-line. So it should be more of a formal skirt that will look great. And if you want to have more of balance in it, and if you want to be comfortable wearing a skirt and shorts, you can go for something called a squat. You can repeat after me. That is called squat. And ये हम school uniforms में बहुत देखते हैं. If you're a Dasturian, you will understand. PT period में हम जो पहनते थे, जो skirt था, it was half short and it used to have a cover. So it used to look like a skirt, but it was to have shorts inside. So if you have that, well and fine. So a pair of black jeans, a pair of skirt, which is not too body hugging and not too loose as well, a perfect fit. Third and the most important is a pair of blazers. You should have blazers, black blazer, which is good to go with anything, even a black jacket for that matter. ये हमारे wardrobe के अंदर मिल ही जाता है, no matter what. एक black jacket या फिर एक black blazer, because you can team it up with anything and everything possible. Fourth and foremost, you should have a white shirt. White and black shirt. Basic colors must have. Must have basic colors. And that's a black, white, beige. ये तो होनी ही चाहिए. And fifth and the most important one is your scarf. I'm telling you why. Even if you don't have any of the above, you have a scarf, which is like you can just wear it properly. It does look formal and it does look professional. ये सारी चीजें हमारे wardrobe के अंदर मिल ही जाती है, no matter what. And I'm not ready to believe कि किसी के पास ये है ही नहीं. एंड अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर टॉप तो होता है, ब्लैक कलर का टॉप तो होता ही है, विच इज लाइक कवरिंग यू टिल योर, not too deep, not too covering yourself also till your polo neck one will look great depending on your face. And if you want to look a little more professional and make sure that you're not just fidgeting with your hair, bun, a neat bun, and you're good to go. Yes, so we are finished like why to dress. First we have finished like myth about image consultancy doesn't mean that you have to look fake. You can be yourself and get look like a professional. Second we have done is the must have, and the third we have done is why to dress even during a lockdown. It will keep you away from depression and the anxiety attacks. Trust me on this, you can try it out yourself. I can understand, especially teachers जो ये बात देख रही है कि सुबह उठ के ड्रेसअप करना itself is a task, especially for teachers. I can understand because we're teaching at odd hours. I'm a teacher myself and I know like because of the time zone, कभी आप यूएस में होते हो तो अगले ही आवर में आप हांगकांग में होते हो, so I can understand it's quite difficult for us to even manage the time. So just make sure that whatever you are gonna wear, you just pre-decided, wear it, and you're just making sure that it is not, you're not wasting a lot of time in dressing up. You just have these tips and tricks and you can just dress like this. Hi Ritika. Hi Chavi. Yes, I'm waiting for your questions. If anyone is having any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much, Devolina. Thank you so much, Veena. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nidhi. Thank you so much, Ritu Jain. Thank you so much, Asta. You're just posting about my pages as well. Thank you so much. Okay, we have Nikita with us. I'm happy to see her. Yes. So before I forget, okay, ये तो लॉकडाउन के पीरियड की बात कर रहे हैं हम. What about after lockdown when everything is normal and you have to go back to your daily routine? What is a must have? Of course, मैंने जो mention किए पहले, they are a must have without a doubt. And moreover, one thing you should have with you is a normal dress, a dark shade one. Grey would be great, and a proper branded, if possible, branded formal dresses. We get great ones. I have one of Anusin myself, which you can team up with anything and everything possible. Because when you wear dress, you can team it up with a lot many things. One of them can be an LBD. You can repeat after me. That is an LBD, little black dress. You can team up a little black dress with everything possible. Wear a blazer, a contrast shade would look great, and you're there for a formal meeting. Just team it up with a skirt, and you opt for a coffee meet or something like that. Just wear the LBD and you're good to go for a party. Just wear a scarf or something, and it's like more of a evening kind of dress. So one thing you should have is a little black dress that you can team it up with anything and everything. Second, you should have a little white dress, because if you cannot be completely dressed in black in the daytime, I would always prefer wearing more of light shades. Little black dress, little white dress, set of blazer and trousers, that would look great. Now, when it comes to formals, buying formals, make sure that as far as possible you're going for branded stuff, because जो अगर आप लेते हो लोकल लेते हो वो बहुत आसानी से worn out हो जाते हैं. फॉर्मल्स जितने अगर आप अच्छी क्वालिटी के पहनोगे दैट वुड बी ग्रेट, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आप किसी को मिलने जाते हो, स्पेशली इन बिजनेस मीट्स, they do judge you with your clothes, the kind of clothes you wear. So just make sure that you are investing in your clothes, not just buying clothes, but investing in your clothes. Yes, I'm waiting for your questions. Okay. For formal meets, should we wear a kurti and leggings? Provided how you're wearing it, I would not suggest that. If it's formals, make sure either you're wearing western formals, proper set of western formals. If not, you're going for a sari. If you want to go for Indian, please make sure that you're going for a sari. And sari also, you should be you have to drape it formally. And just make sure it's not looking too fancy, just not too fancy for life. You're looking more elegant and a little more classy. And even your colors, the kind of colors you choose for saris, make sure they're more of solid colors than one color with just a bit of a border. That's it. Please don't overdo it during business meets. I can understand not everyone is comfortable with Western formals, and we being Indian women, we prefer more of saris, kurti leggings, and more of salwar kameez. So the safest option you can wear is a sari, especially for women who are not comfortable or not, unfortunately, not allowed to wear Western formals. Always opt for a sari and make sure it's more of a formal color, more of a solid color, and one color. That will look great. More questions? Because I would like to move towards more focus more on soft skills because that is more important, especially during lockdown. Yes. Waiting for your questions. Please ask your questions. Please pour in your questions. Okay, shall I just move forward with my soft skills part? If I have anything for for image part, if I have anything for soft skills and power dressing, I'll just add on to it. So I just made a list which I would like to read it. What all includes in soft skills? I'm just reading out the list. Leadership skills, effective team management and motivational skills, transactional analysis, interpersonal skills, goal setting, negotiation skills, emotional intelligence and empathy, sales ready, managing conflicts, vocal and verbal communication, interview skills, time and stress management, body language, etiquette ready, and this go on and on and on. You see, image enhancement and soft skills, it's a vast concept. But you know what? We being trainers, we focus on only three or four things. And if you're a specialist, you will be only focusing on one thing. It's a fact. Because it may be etiquette. Me being a trainer, I'm just telling you one thing. Everything has its own pros and cons. And being very honest on Mrs. Diva, that just because we are trainers, unfortunately, we only tell you the pros of it. We don't tell you the cons of it. I would like to tell you pros and cons of it. बहुत ज़्यादा etiquettes भी अच्छी बात नहीं है, and not knowing etiquettes at all, it's also a bad thing. Because if you know a lot of etiquettes and all, you start looking a little fake. And me being an image consultant, a youth icon, a graphologist, I've learned more. Of course, I have my degrees and everything. I've learned more out of experience. And especially the age group I'm dealing with, that is 6 to 35 and even above, but that's my niche. 6 to 35, 6 to 35 is my niche. I've seen my young girls behaving like many adults, dressed like many adults, and I have my 30 35 year olds behaving as if they are like, no, I'm done with it, मैं जैसी हूँ मैं वैसी ही ठीक हूँ, which is not good. Reason being, अगर आप बहुत एक mini adult की तरह behave कर रहे हो, you're looking fake, you're trying to look fake, you're faking your maturity, and if you're just having a laid back attitude, people don't take you seriously. So first thing you should always focus on, first and foremost, it should be your dress sense. Second is your communication, your body language. Of course, communication is having two parts of it. First being non-verbal, second being verbal. Because I don't have to tell you this. I think everyone knows it. It just takes us 9 seconds to judge someone because they look at you 12 feet apart, 12 steps apart, and 12 words apart. अब आपको दूर से अगर देख रहे हैं हम आपको जज करते हैं, फिर हम आप जब पास आते हैं तब हम आपको जज करते हैं एक बार, और दूसरा हम जब जज करते हैं वो है हम जब बात करने की, योर फर्स्ट 12 वर्ड्स and the person judges you. The body language, the kind of distance you maintain, the handshake you have with a person, and देखा handshake body language का ही पार्ट आता है. इतना लूज होगा या इतना टाइट होगा कि सामने वाले की हड्डियां टूट जाती है. No, it shouldn't be like that. Firm, just a firm handshake and you're done. Dressing as per the occasion, handshake, communication skills, they are all part of soft skills. And then the conflict part of it, your stress part of it, your nervousness part of it, it comes under that. I would just love to just take a pause and just check for questions. Can you suggest dressing according to body type? Yes, we have just covered this topic, Nikita. I'm very happy that you asked this question. Yes, dressing according to body type. As I mentioned earlier, that we as Indian women, we are more pear-shaped, that we are bottom heavy. So you should just make sure that our lower portion looks a little more smaller, a little more toned, and we are looking a little more bottom, the upper body is looking a little more heavy, just to make a balance of it. So of course, I have told you to always go for black jeans, black trousers, and make sure your shirt that you're wearing is more tailor-made and not too tight or not too loose also. It should enhance your body. We have 4 types of body. We have 4 body types. First is apple shaped, second is banana shaped, third is pear shaped, and fourth is hourglass shaped. I don't know who has decided it, but hourglass shape is considered to be the ideal shape. But me being Indian women, we are more pear shaped. So we need to make sure that we maintain that balance. And of course, it's not just your body type, but also your face. That what kind of clothes and what kind of tailoring you should do for your clothes and the color that you choose. And I'm being very generic right now because this is where the Indian woman thing falls under. That we Indian women, we are usually from 1 to 10, we are more into like 4 to 7 color shades. So practically everything suits us, each and every color suits us. It's just the kind of shade you choose in that. So me being more on the warmer side, I prefer using a contrast of it. So that's how you choose a color, your clothes, everything possible. Yes, next question, please. Please go for it. I'm waiting for the questions. You can ask me anything for soft skills as well. I've already answered that how your dress can also help you get rid of depression, anxiety, everything. Even your body language, I've covered body language as well. Any questions? I'm waiting for your questions. Yes, Nikita, if you can just ask me more questions. Debolina, Astha, Ritika Malhotra, Chavi Gupta. What is more important during lockdown? Yes, right now during lockdown, since everyone is going more live and to advertise, as I mentioned, it is very important for you to have good communication skills, and which also includes your non-verbal communication as well. So even in a live session like this speaks a lot. So you make sure you have to look a little more confident, not sounding fake at all, and it's straight from the heart. And you're not reading a script or something. If it's if it's not mandatory for you to do so. So you need to focus more on communication skills, because once the lockdown gets over and if you are applying for a job, आपको एक सवाल ज़रूर आएगा कि लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में आपने कौन सा नया एक स्किल सीखा है, or you have become very lazy during lockdown and you have done absolutely nothing apart from being on watching Netflix, Amazon Prime, I don't know what all. Stress during lockdown. Yes, as I mentioned that stress is also a reason for having depression and anxiety. Stress usually आजकल इसीलिए आ रहा है कि हमें कल को जॉब मिलेगा या नहीं. Unfortunately, because many people have gone jobless, सब बहुत सारे लोगों को unfortunately जॉब से निकाल दिया गया है, and many people are unemployed, being forced to being into forced entrepreneurship, which can go into teaching or just starting some random business just to make sure कि घर के अंदर कम से कम ग्रोसरी लाने तक के पैसे आ रहे हैं. I can understand that stress is it's causing stress. The only thing you can do is, this is a very, very, very cliched dialogue which I'm saying, that please eat healthy food and sleep. And one more thing I'm telling you, please do not be online 24/7. क्योंकि आपका एंजाइटी खाने पीने से ज़्यादा, सोचने से ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन अपने दोस्तों के नए बिजनेसेस के बारे में देख के ज़्यादा एंजाइटी हो रहा है, लोगों के सक्सेस स्टोरीज देख के ज़्यादा आपको एंजाइटी हो रहा है. Understand one thing, just because there are many posts on social media of friends, you feel that your friends are doing well, doesn't mean that they're really doing well right now. They are surviving. They are trying to survive just like you and me. It's just that उनका social media पे ज़्यादा जा रहा है. So please do not get influenced and take that stress. It's no point. And right now, especially during COVID-19 pandemic, I'm pretty sure that you don't want to fall sick for any reason possible. Dharika Sada, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Logged in to wish you happy birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Vinisha Gupta Markin, happy birthday and thank you so much for this amazing session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vinisha. I'm still waiting for your questions. And I think we had a session for 45 minutes by now. I would still like to extend it for 15 more minutes, if possible. If I can just go with the flow. I'm just waiting for your questions. Because we have finished the topics first, I wanted to buzz that myth about image enhancement, that you have to look fake, that you have to apply a lot of makeup on your skin just to look like a professional. No. और उसकी वजह से मैं जानबूझ के बिल्कुल मेकअप नहीं करके भी आपके सामने आई हूँ, just to tell you that you don't need a lot of makeup to look good. This is the time you need to start embracing your body the way you are, and just make sure that you have a radiant skin and you're being confident in your own skin. So that was my main objective of having this session. And that's why I told you the proof also. I can show you the proof again. No makeup at all. Yes. Second was having must have in your wardrobe, which included having a pair of black jeans, skirt, scarf, white shirt, and of course a black shirt as well. Blazers, of course, I just forgot blazers. Yes, you should have blazers in your wardrobe. Third, why you should dress, whether you are working or not, that was because it will help you just keep depression, anxiety at bay to some extent, because everything is in mind. Your clothes are just helping you with it. Fourth topic, yes, is your body language and your communication skills. Your body language, how people perceive you 12 feet apart, 12 steps apart, and 12 words apart. And your communication, verbal and non-verbal. Non-verbal is your confidence, is your body language, even during a live session. Verbal, your communication, how confident you are, how fluent you are with your language. And of course, how you're treating others. Because unfortunately, I've seen many people, just because they feel that they have a lot of knowledge or they are more wise than others, they try to just make sure that other person is feeling a little uncomfortable. That shouldn't happen. spa dressing. Thank you so much, Nikita. Yes, okay. I think we are done with the session. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM. You can check out my page, it's Shreya Shah, and you can just check out my website www.shreyashahofficial.com. I also have a YouTube channel called as Simply Shreya. The same name is for Facebook page as well. You can also follow me on Instagram, that is Simply Shreya Official or Shreya Shah 724. You can just join in. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section right now as well. I'm free to comment and answer your questions as well. Feel free to connect. Again, Shreya Shah signing off. Thank you very much.